everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm sharing with you guys, sorry, I got some stuff on my feet. I'm sharing with you guys my HelloFresh meals that I am going to make. Husband and I have been using HelloFresh for about a year now. I really like it. Thank you for everybody who's used my referral link. But every time you guys get click my referral link, I get money to go towards my HelloFresh. And I'm really liking HelloFresh because I'm actually trying meals that I've never tried before. I'm learning new ways to cook. I'm trying new things, and that's one thing that I like. My husband and I can also bond with each other more that we get to cook. Sometimes it does get kind of irritating making these meals, but I still like them because, you know, you can get great deals. If you guys click my referral link, you guys can get $40 off your first box. So you can get items like this exactly in this box for 20 bucks. It's like $19.94. And then I say just try it and cancel it. That's the best thing to do. So I'm just going to share with you guys the 3 meals that I picked. Now you guys can pick your own meals that you guys want.
Oh, you got more for me.
Yeah. But you guys can pick more different meals. There's usually like 12 different meals. Some of them do cost a little bit more, but if you guys just go with the basic ones, you can do it that way. So let me show you guys what we got. Now inside the box. Okay. Inside the box they give you items. Now they do insulate this pretty well, where if it's super hot outside, you can let it sit outside and you don't have to worry about the food going bad, because they really put a lot of, you know, ice packs in it. So the 3 meals that I chose are the Juicy Lucy Burger. Now the husband and I have tried the Juicy Lucy Burger before. They kind of give you an idea of like how to make it. I'm not very good at making burgers, so he probably will help me with that one. The next we got is the Italian meatloaf with green beans and mashed potatoes. I am not a green beans person, but I will eat it. But I thought that looks really good, and I love mashed potatoes, and I just want to kind of learn how to make meatloaf. And then the last item we got is steak and shallot pan sauce with garlic bread and spicy roasted green beans. So again, another green bean meal, but I am pretty excited to try those. So those are the 3 meals that we'll be making, and then I will show you guys a video. Sorry, I just have the baby in my hand, so you guys have to see half of my face. But I will show you guys what the meals turn out to be in another video. So here they kind of got like a little insulated thing on here. I'm just going to put this down here, and then oh, it smells really good. It smells really good. So inside they usually give you like a bag of what is in it. So this one is the steak with shallot pan sauce. So they give you like all the ingredients. The only thing you kind of sometimes need is like salt and pepper. Here is the Italian meatloaf, and it is a heavy bag. And then here is the Juicy Lucy Burger. Definitely check your stuff out. I've had to contact customer service a few times because something wasn't right or we were missing something. Like, I think in my last video, I didn't realize this, but we were supposed to get pork sausage, and they ended up sending me some steaks or something like that. So it was like a win for me, but I couldn't also eat the meal that I wanted to, but I'm not complaining. Anyways, and then the bottom, they give you guys the ice pack. So this ice pack is still, you know, ice. It has melted a little bit, but it is ice. And then I'm just going to stand up and show you guys the meat that we got. So here we got the 85-15 ground beef. And then we also got another ground beef. And then we also have, and there's another ice pack below this too. And then we also have the ranch steak. So that is the meat that it comes with. So there's that in case you guys, you know, want to check that out. But I'm just going to probably do, what meal we want to do tonight? The meatloaf or the steak? I'm probably going to do the steak. So here we're going to open this one, and I can share with you guys what is inside. Sorry, you're going to see Miss Charlotte's feet. But inside, they give you a package of green beans. So we got that. We also have some bread to cut to make the garlic bread. And then we also have a shallot, or it looks like an onion. And then this is the chili flakes, if you guys want to use those. They give you the beef stock. And then we also have the garlic cloves. So that is everything that you guys will need. And then usually you just ask for like salt and pepper and stuff here and there. But these meals are super easy to make. Definitely recommend if you guys are interested in getting a box yourself. Give me 1 second, you guys. Yeah, but if you guys are interested in making a box yourself, definitely check it out. You know, you can get $40 off your first box. Try it and cancel it. But again, thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for another video of the meals we make, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.